We're in Drogo Castle Gardens, and there's some stunning plants, and some of the roses. I don't know if there's some that are unscented, but some of the ones with a scent are just absolutely gorgeous. And guys are just in the background there, sniffing and poking things. But it's beautiful. I remember this part from before, but I don't know, it seems more developed. I don't know if the edges were the same last time, not sure. But we'll see. I'm talking to myself, I'm talking to our fans, the hordes of thousands that will come to see you guys.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
I know, I said that to everybody.
Oh. This one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think it's as amazing as the first one.
No.
Or the second one down
It
there.
smells quite similar though.
Did you get the name?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's the name? Tell the folks.
Gertrude something.
Yeah.
That's helpful. We'll be able to track down Gertrude something in the garden centre, darling. Did you not make a note of it? You have the
Emma's got
technology.
a note of it.
I didn't.
No.
We've got phones that can take notes and voice messages and everything, and nobody could. Gertrude something.
Wait, I'm sure you can go back.
What, go back to the flower and have a look? Think that'll be the safer thing to do? Or are you really not going to buy another rose anyway?
No, I don't want, because I find them
No,
difficult to
no,
grow.
Gertrude something's enough, obviously.
I find them difficult to grow.
It's Gertrude and it's J something.
What is it? So you can tell everybody.
Gertrude Jetta, I think.
There we go. So you know what to look for. Gertrude. Kings. Soaring eagles and flatting about with turkeys here. That's lovely as well.